God is burgers and drink soda. Blue is carrots and bring some juice. They want to be strong to win this game. Live up time, let's see who are winner.
Oh no, my tummy hurts.
Fast food is not good for your health.
Healthy candy.
Oh no, the candy is all gone. Mommy! Can I have more candy?
Nope.
Oh, too much sugar is not good for your health.
One more, please.
How about making kangaroos instead?
Yes, I love it.
Let's freeze it. Boo, here you go, sweet and healthy.
Thank you, Mom. Yummy.
No veggies. Big trouble.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, Mom.
Mom.
Veggies are good for you.
I have it.
It's time for dinner, Boo.
Yes, I'm coming. Nice down, Mom.
Got finished.
Yes.
Oh no!
Mom, help me.
What's wrong? Oh no!
I can't poo-poo.
Boo, you need to eat veggie.
Yes, I got it.
Don't overeat.
There was a boy who really liked eating snacks and candy. So sweet and crunchy, munch, munch, so tasty. Oh, I hear something. My sis came home with snacks, yay. God, you don't look good. Yes, I'm so hungry. If you like snacks, you can eat them. Oh, really? Thanks, sister. I feel better now. Munch, munch, so yummy. Oh, I hear something. Mom came home with bags of food. God, did you eat lunch yet? No, I haven't eaten. If you're hungry, you can eat cakes. Oh, I love eating them. Yum, yum, so happy. Ouch, ouch, my tummy. What's wrong with you, Ka? Oh, I think I'm overeat. You like me? I'm sorry, Mom. Take medicine. I won't do it again.
The picky eater.
Boo, your breakfast.
No, I don't like it.
How about lollipop?
Yes, I want it.
Enjoy yummy apples, Boo.
No, it's not yummy.
Watch me. How about cakes?
I love it.
Breakfast is important.
Pig, your breakfast. No, I'm on diet. I'm so hungry.
So small.
And short. I don't want to be short and small.
Pink, your breakfast is ready.
I'm coming.
Woohoo!
Yummy.
Bill wants to be taller.
Hey, can you get me that book?
Okay.
Thank you.
I will be taller than Pig. Milk can help me. I only drink milk.
Yes. Boo, here's your favorite cake.
No, I'm full.
But you love this cake.
I don't want this one.
Oh. Boo,
Yes?
take some bread for breakfast.
No, I don't need that. Milk is enough. Oh, my tummy is hurt. Mom, help me.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I want to be tall like pig, so I drink a lot of milk.
Oh no, Boo. Drinking only milk won't help you. You need to eat properly too.
Yes, Mom.
I don't like durian.
Yummy.
It smells so bad. It's terrible. Oh my God, Ka! I can't stand the smell.
My favorite food, durian. So yummy.
Ouch! Ouch!
Stop! My durian! Oh no! You need to see doctor.
Thank you. I won't throw your favorite food anymore.
Okay, let's go.
Boo's secret plan failed.
Mom, I want this one.
Boo, you already have so many toys. No more for now.
Okay.
Boo, can you buy some tomatoes for me?
But Yes! Thank you! So cheap, I can save money for the toy.
Potatoes.
Mom, I can help you buy some potato.
Okay, here you are. Thank you. My tummy hurts.
Me too.
Boo, where did you get the tomatoes and the potatoes?
I bought a cheap one
Why?
because I want to save money.
Boo, it's not okay to save money by buying bad foods.
I'm sorry, I won't do it again.
Who is faster? Don't be a liar.
Ka, I'm here. Ka! Ka, don't buy snack outside school. Ka,
Hi, Mom.
let's go home. Oh, I forgot my key. I will be right back.
Yay!
Hey, that's mine.
But you give it to me.
I said how it, not eat it.
I didn't hear that.
Give it to me.
What? What's going on?
Who ate my snack?
No, Ka gave it to me.
Ka, your snack? Did you buy snack and hide it from me?
I'm sorry, Mom. Sorry, Bill.
Ka, we don't like to hide our mistake and no more snack from outside, okay?
Yes, Mom.